Welcome to the ATC Diversified Electronics Snapshot series, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our Motor Director motor monitoring and protection system. Our motor monitoring and protection system provides real-time monitoring, customizable alerts, and performance trend tracking to help you detect issues early, make smarter maintenance decisions, and prevent costly motor failures. Now, let's take a closer look at Motor Director. Motor Director complies with IEEE and ISO standards to monitor and protect against common causes of premature motor failure. There are also many physical attributes of Motor Director to take note of, including UL 508 panel, lockable panel clasps, 10.1-inch HMI touchscreen display, current transformer wiring and external hardwired sensor cable entry, momentary reset button, 3-phase voltage cable entry, and panel hinges. Additional key features include monitoring and protecting against over and under voltage, voltage unbalance, phase loss, phase sequence, frequency shift, over and under current, power factor, and locked rotor conditions. Built-in SENSERT for Wi-Fi or cellular access to real-time remote monitoring of electrical and condition-based parameters, customizable mobile alerts, data recording, trend logging, and comprehensive reporting. IP65 enclosure with UL 508 A-rated panel. SCADA ready with RS-485 and Ethernet TCP/IP for external communications. Optional wireless vibration, temperature, and thermographic sensors. Without visibility into your motor's health, small issues can quietly turn into catastrophic failures. Motor Director puts critical motor data in your hands so you can catch problems early, avoid costly downtime, and protect the equipment your operation depends on. This makes Motor Director a great option for motor protection applications in water and wastewater, HVAC, and manufacturing processes. When you partner with ATC Diversified Electronics, you can count on durable, reliable, and accurate products every time. Discover more solutions from ATC Diversified Electronics by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at atcdiversified.com. Thanks for watching.